Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing. I just totally ripped that paper trying to take it out. This is for the month of January. I have a list of all the items on here and the prices. That way if there's something you don't want, you know how much it costs, and if you have something you want to keep, you know how much you'll be charged. On the back of that's a return label as well, so I'll show that again at the end. This is the first thing that caught my eye. There's jewelry inside. So let's take, ooh, leggings. For these leggings. And I guess technically they're pants because they have a little belt with it. But they're very soft, stretchy material, just like leggings. Kind of an interesting pattern. It reminds me of the 90s. Which isn't a bad thing because I adore the 90s. My husband says I'm stuck in the 90s, so that's kind of funny. So I got those. And this would probably kind of go along with that. I'll insert some full pictures at the end. So this is just a really nice sweater. It's kind of a maroonish brownish color. There's some little buttons and detailing on the sleeve. So that's pretty cute. Probably definitely wear that. I wear a lot of like solid colors and basic stuff. Wow, this came packed with goodies this month. Is this a dress? That's really gorgeous. That's not going to look cute on me, but this is a really pretty dress. Kind of like a tube top, and then it goes all the way down, and the colors change to the bottom. That's really cute. Like that. And then we have some tops. This is a really pretty color. Oh, I like that. So it's kind of like an oversized shirt, and it has those big sleeves, so it kind of like bunches well on your body. Could definitely use that. And again, very soft. Love this one too. This has a little cutout in the front. It's by a hippie chick. And then it goes from purple to a greenish to a grayish color. Long sleeves with cuffs. Super cute. I would definitely wear the tops. I know that. The pants I'm not sure about. And I love the dress, but I don't think it would look cute on me. But I will try that on later. And then we have... like a necklace, but it's going to take a second to untangle. Okay, so here's kind of a view of the necklace. It's still really tangled, but it's a longer chain for this one and then a smaller chain, so it's kind of like a layered look. I think it would be really pretty, but it got pretty tangled, so I'm going to have to spend quite a while untangling that. I like that they put them in these little bags. I really haven't had too much of an issue with stuff tangling, but it does happen occasionally. And then we have a pair of earrings. It looks like this one has the back broken off of it, but that's what those look like, which those are pretty neat. And then a bracelet. Oh, that's cool. So it just hooks in one spot, but it has a nice layered look. Gold and some pearls. So very cute. If you guys are interested in trying this subscription, I will have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.